Quiet your thoughts and prepare yourself for a journey that will take us to the furthest reaches of our imagination, beyond our very grasp of comprehension. Welcome to Science by Matthew, where we dive deep into enigmas of the cosmos and discover the hidden mysteries within. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share as you unravel the wonders of science with us. Our universe, a cosmic tapestry of stars, galaxies, and the void, is a subject of awe and bewilderment. A sprawling cosmic playground, this celestial expanse has fascinated us since the dawn of time, prompting a question that has echoed through the ages: how big is our universe? At first glance, the answer seems simple, but as we delve deeper, it becomes clear that this query is far from uncomplicated. It requires us to challenge many preconceived notions, to push the boundaries of our understanding. What does this really mean? It means that we have to go back, way back, to the very dawn of the universe. The universe started with the Big Bang, an event that unfolded approximately 13.8 billion years ago. But here's the twist. This doesn't mean our universe is 13.8 billion light-years in radius. In reality, due to the continuous expansion of space-time, the radius of the observable universe is estimated to be about 46.5 billion light-years. But what if we're wrong? What if the universe is bigger or smaller than we think? This is not a mere hypothetical. It is a question that scientists grapple with every day. In fact, even the term observable universe implies a limit to what we can see and measure. It suggests that there could be more, perhaps infinitely more, that lies beyond our cosmic horizon. Consider for a moment the sheer scale of the universe. Our Milky Way galaxy alone is 100,000 light-years in diameter, and it's just one among the estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. These mind-boggling numbers hint at the vastness of the cosmos and the utter insignificance of our tiny blue speck of a planet within it. Yet the size of the universe is not just about physical dimensions. It's about time as well. The light that we see from distant galaxies is not how they are now, but how they were millions or even billions of years ago. As we peer deeper into space, we are also looking further back in time. The universe, in essence, is a cosmic history book. But there's more. Theories like cosmic inflation and the concept of the multiverse suggest that our universe could be just a tiny fraction of a vastly larger and more complex cosmos. In this grand scheme, our observable universe, as immense as it may seem, is merely a small illuminated bubble in an eternally inflating sea of space and time. That's a lot to take in, isn't it? The sheer magnitude of it all seems unfathomable. And yet, we humans, tiny and insignificant as we may appear in this grand cosmic scale, have discovered, explored, and learned so much about it. So how big is our universe? It's bigger than we can imagine. It's far beyond our current ability to truly comprehend or measure. It's a testament to the grandeur of nature, defying the limits of our human perspective. And yet at the same time, the universe is within us. The atoms that form our bodies were once forged in the fiery heart of stars. We are quite literally stardust. In this way, the universe is both infinitely vast and intimately close, a cosmic enigma waiting to be explored. As we conclude this chapter of our cosmic odyssey, remember that the journey doesn't end here. Every discovery, every realization is but a stepping stone to greater understanding and deeper mysteries. The universe is not just a question of how big, but also of how much more there's left to discover. This is Science by Matthew, a small speck in the digital cosmos, reminding you to stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop asking questions. If you found this journey intriguing, remember to subscribe, like, and share our exploration of the wonders of science. Until our next cosmic journey together, keep gazing at the stars and wonder, how big is our universe? We may not know the exact answer yet, but as long as we keep asking questions, the universe will continue to reveal its secrets. And perhaps, in those secrets, we might discover not just about the cosmos, but also a bit more about ourselves. Until next time, dear explorer, keep your curiosity alight and your mind open for the universe is vast, mysterious, and waiting to be discovered. Dwell on that thought for a moment. The universe, vast, mysterious, and awaiting our discovery. Prepare yourself to embark on a journey, a quest for understanding, a search for answers in the cosmic ocean. Pioneer astronomers gazed at the heavens, seeing only a fraction of the universe we know today. They saw stars and planets, yes, but not galaxies, not quasars, not dark matter or dark energy. They were peering into a cosmos less understood, more mysterious, and in some ways more magical. Their observations, their calculations, their theories all laid the foundation for our understanding of the cosmos. Little did they know their humble beginnings would eventually lead to the astounding discoveries of the universe we have come to know today. But how big is our universe? What does this really mean? Well, to comprehend the enormity of our universe, we must first understand the concept of the observable universe. The observable universe essentially refers to the section of the universe that we can theoretically observe from Earth. Light from stars and galaxies millions and billions of light years away has had the time to reach us. As we look deeper into the cosmos, we are looking further back in time. The limit of the observable universe, the cosmic horizon, is about 46 billion light years away. This may seem enormous, and it is, but it is only a fraction of the full extent of the cosmos, because beyond that cosmic horizon, there is more, much, much more. Now here's where it gets a bit tricky. The universe, as far as we could discern, is infinite. It has no edge. It has no center. It simply is. A concept so profound, so mind-boggling that it challenges our understanding of reality. But what if we're wrong? What if our understanding of the universe is incomplete? Cosmological models and theories are constantly evolving, constantly changing. Our knowledge of the universe is a work in progress. It's as if we are children, gazing out into the night sky, trying to make sense of the twinkling lights above. Our understanding is bound by our perspective, our tools, our theories, our beliefs. The universe, in all its glory, is not just a collection of planets, stars, and galaxies. It's a mirror reflecting back at us, revealing our limitations, our ignorance, our insignificance, our potential, and our place in the grand cosmic dance. As we journey through the cosmos, we are continually pushing the boundaries of our understanding, constantly challenging our perceptions, continuously striving to uncover the secrets that lie beyond our cosmic horizon. And dear explorer, this is what makes us human. The thirst for knowledge, the curiosity to explore, the courage to accept our ignorance, and the humility to recognize our place in the cosmos. We are but a tiny speck in the grand scheme of things, yet we are gifted with the ability to comprehend the beauty and the complexity of the universe we inhabit. This is what Science by Matthew aims to share with you, the beauty of our universe, seen through the lens of scientific discovery. So if you believe in this journey, in the pursuit of knowledge, in the allure of the cosmos, then do subscribe to Science by Matthew on YouTube. Like the videos, share them with your friends. Let's learn, let's explore, let's discover together. As we continue to gaze at the stars, to question, to explore, we realize that our journey has merely begun. The universe is still largely unknown, still largely unexplored. It's our responsibility, our privilege to continue this quest for knowledge. So once again, dear explorer, keep your curiosity alight and your mind open. The universe, in all its magnitude, waits patiently for us to unravel its secrets. Because in the end, the more we learn about the universe, the more we learn about ourselves. What does this truly mean? What exactly are we aiming to explore? The sheer magnitude of our universe is daunting. It's something to ponder on, isn't it? How big is our universe really? And how do we even begin to measure it? Brace yourself, for the journey we're about to undertake is like no other. Imagine, if you will, standing on the edge of an abyss. In front of you is an expanse that seems infinite, extending beyond the reach of your sight. But what if we're wrong? What if this abyss is not infinite? What if it has a boundary, a limit? The same question applies to our universe. The universe, as we understand it, is everything that physically exists. The entirety of space and time, all forms of matter and energy, and the physical laws and constants that govern them, yet the vast expanse of our universe remains one of the greatest mysteries we face today. The human mind struggles to grasp the sheer size of our universe. Our brains are accustomed to dealing with distances and sizes that are humanly conceivable. We understand the size of a football field, the distance between cities, even the size of our planet, but can we really comprehend the size of something as vast as our universe? We like to believe we can. Scientists throughout history have attempted to measure the universe using all manner of tools and methodologies. From early astronomers using simple telescopes to map out the cosmos, to the modern scientists employing complex satellites and probes, the efforts have been many, varied, and often groundbreaking. We use a measurement called a light year. This isn't a measure of time, as one might assume, but a measure of distance. A light year is the distance that light, traveling at a speed of nearly 300,000 kilometers per second, would cover in a year. That's a staggering 9.46 trillion kilometers. With this scale in mind, let's talk numbers. Our Milky Way galaxy alone is estimated to be about 100,000 light years in diameter. And the Andromeda Galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor, is about 2.5 million light years away from us. Yet these vast distances barely even scratch the surface of the universe's immense size. Scientists believe there are billions, perhaps even trillions of galaxies in the universe, each filled with billions of stars just like our own. The sheer scale is staggering. And yet, there's a validation in this bigness. It reminds us that we are but small specks in the grand scale of things. We are infinitesimal, and that's humbling, but it's also empowering. We are here, we exist, we matter. This is Science by Matthew, the channel that brings the wonder of our universe to your screen. If you love knowledge, if you're curious about the world around you, then join our community of explorers. Subscribe, like, and share our work, because every journey begins with a single step. And every discovery begins with a single question. The universe, in all its grandeur and complexity, continues to be a mysterious domain. It's a cosmic riddle waiting to be solved. It's a treasure trove of knowledge waiting to be uncovered. It's vast, it's beautiful, it's unexplored. So we dare to ask, we dare to explore, we dare to venture into the unfathomable depths of our universe. And every time we dare, we learn something new. We gain a new perspective, a new understanding, a new appreciation of our existence. In this quest for knowledge, we discover the infinite possibilities of our universe. We realize that the universe is not just a vast expanse of space, but a never-ending story of creation, destruction, and rebirth. And we are part of that story. We are part of the universe. So, dear explorer, prepare yourself. The journey into the cosmos is exciting, terrifying, and awe-inspiring all at the same time. It's a journey that can change the way we see our world, the way we see ourselves. Stay curious, stay open-minded, and keep exploring, because the universe is not just out there, it's in us. We are star stuff. We are the universe trying to understand itself. How big is our universe? Perhaps the answer is not in the measurement, but in the spirit of exploration, in the thrill of discovery, and in the joy of knowledge. Perhaps the answer lies within us. In the end, we realize the universe is vast beyond comprehension and yet intimately connected to us. After all, we are children of the cosmos, born from stardust and destined to explore the stars. This is our story, this is our universe, and our journey has only just begun. Prepare yourself for what lies beyond our world, beyond our galaxy, and even beyond our comprehension. Brace yourself for a journey that stretches not only across space, but also across time. This journey is not one of mile markers or years or light years, but one that measures the very fabric of existence itself. When we look up at the night sky, we see a dazzling tapestry of stars, a sea of cosmic diamonds strewn across the velvet dark. Each point of light, a beacon in the infinite, a silent storyteller narrating a tale of unimaginable scale. But what are these stories? What secrets do they hold? Scientists estimate the visible universe to be around 93 billion light-years in diameter. Now, to get a sense of that vastness, imagine if you could travel at the speed of light. That's roughly 670 million miles an hour. At this speed, you could whip around our planet Earth over 7 times in just 1 second. But even at this incomprehensible speed, to traverse from one end of the observable universe to the other would still take you 93 billion years. What does this really mean? It means that every time we gaze up at the starlit sky, we are in fact peering billions of years into the past. The twinkling lights we see today are echoes of cosmic events that transpired eons ago. Those distant stars and galaxies may no longer exist, yet their tales of cosmic birth and death reach us only now. But what if we're wrong? What if the universe is not just what we can observe, but extends far beyond it? For all we know, the cosmos could be infinite, boundless, an eternal quilt of galaxies, stars, and planets. Science in all its glory has yet to deliver us a definitive answer. We invite you to journey with us, to learn, to question, to marvel at the beauty, the complexity, the sheer enormity of it all. This is Late Science, a channel dedicated to exploring the mysteries of our universe and beyond. If you enjoy these cerebral voyages, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Our universe is a grand cosmic symphony, with each celestial